All right, today's July 2nd. Yesterday we had some numbers come out. Really much wasn't much of anything. It was Monday. Powell speaks at 9:30. It's about to come out. Then 10 a.m. Jolts job openings. Consolidation on a daily. Look at Dow. Does this make any sense? Anyways, Dixie still bullish. Although we kind of lost it here. It's supposed to be a bull short block. Supposed to continue going up higher, but we're pretty much consolidating in all of our indices. Do believe that this fair value gap here in the daily on ES, we did tap in this on NQ. We did inverse this fair value gap here, which we did not on ES. So NQ kind of in a discount, ES still in premium within its respective range. And yeah, we're just consolidating. You have more information on the 4 hour. Oh, that's it, Powell? That's all the news you had for us? I thought we were gonna do something. Hmm, interesting. So starting out this 150K account, and I don't know, it expires on the 4th of July, but this is where things are right now on it. 4,500 on the day, so we're good there. We switch over to this here. Oh no. What? Why isn't it showing? Oh, here. We have no positions. I want to come for these highs up here. No positions. Just making sure we have no positions on this. I'm not sure why we so confused. But anyways, we're at like kind of like 4,500. So oh, those are macros. There we go. Anyways, silly me. Anyways, I'll just wait till the news driver comes out at 10. This account here, we just need 4,500 bucks in this. I'm not trying to mash the gas whatsoever. So we'll just wait for the 10 o'clock news jobber. The bell opened up at 8:30, so or 9:30 Eastern. No sense in getting caught up in that. So yesterday, whatever, had a little blip. But as you can see, I was able to recoup that. Um, yeah, so here we are on the week on the 4 hour. Coming out this 4 hour fair value gap. Just gave me more confidence that we're gonna go up higher. We have this bull short blockchain just state delivery. Again, these are my targets here. And I do believe that we can close above this. This will be a bullish shorter block if we do 4 hour bullish shorter block. All right, right here. I will sync this globally. There you go. That's if we can close above it though. So we have 30 minutes to make that determination or for that to be confirmed. So we'll just keep it here. In fact, we won't sync it globally, we'll sync it in the layout. Took out internal range here, relative lows here, run up, came to, I don't believe this was optical trend entry of this range. So we're consolidating. I'm gonna explain what that means in a second. Yeah, very high premium, closed near the optical trend entry. So when we are consolidating, still within this range here, come down. This is like equilibrium, but we have from here to here. Usually look for 3 nested consolidations. So here's one. We're stuck within this range here. We run up, come down, run all the way up here, then we come back down. So this would be our second range of consolidation right here. And now we're stuck between here and here. So if we're bullish, you want to take from high to low. I do believe that's what I was saying. Here, let's look at this really quickly. Rules for accumulation. We want short and premium above 6.81. Buying discounts. Bullish trend, measure low to high, buy side range. Bearish, measure high to low, sell side range. So what I did here, I measured from high to low, which is, that's bearish. It's supposed to be from low to high. And again, low to high. So ideally, according to my rules, it'll be this here. Well, that doesn't matter. Low to high. And again, low to high. Although I want to test this theory a little bit more, I just want to measure the ranges that it's consolidating within and say that this is a low to high within this range here. So that's part of it. That's an area that I still need to, do some back testing on. Although these notes that I had accumulated were from several days of back testing or several sessions of back testing. But looking at this range here, now we look for optical trade entry, which is right here, which really 72% is mean threshold of this 4 hour fair value gap, and boom, that's where we continuously go down to. It's beautiful, right? Run up again in premium. Now we're back into this range again. And ICT says if we hit equilibrium of a range, then we can discard it and focus on the new range that has been created. So that'll be from here to here. And what do we get? Outlook trade entry. We'll just hide this for now. We get this range here from this low to this high, and we come right down to 62%, 618, right at the high of this 4-hour fair value gap. So though we are accumulating, this all looks bullish to me. Um, we do have this 4-hour for this 4-hour bullish order block we're still working on. Do believe we're gonna come for these size up here, which is at 77. All right. So we should just wait for the next 19 minutes for this 4-hour interval to be completed. Start the new 4-hour interval. But looking at the hourly time frame, we have this low, high, lower, low. You- This little hourly fair value gap traded through. I think that's done and over. All right, so as suspected, we hit these internal range liquidity, so that's done and over with. Anyways, so identify what time consolidation is forming. Quarterly theory, look for Manlink to come out of sub consolidation. So what that means is like this range within a range, you can see this like this is accumulation, manipulation, and we have our distribution. And this is within this range here, and then this range here. Of course, this is on the 4 hour, so but this here would be our manipulation. You see it as that. Yep, so that's that. This would have been nice to take, in the AMP account, but there aren't any high probability trade setups on the 4 hour right now that we can take with confidence, at least hourly. This is a bearish order block I was looking at. We came out to it yesterday. I went a little bit higher, like 77. This here is 74, so we just hit that. So it'd be permissible to look for a short position. But again, we have 17 minutes left, uh, and then we're bullish on a higher time frame. So, but this is a bearish PD array, so we may retrace from it on the hourly. Not totally sure where we can go to, but we do have a 10 o'clock news driver coming in 16 minutes. So we can sit here and chill and wait, just watch this price action, but we'll just get rid of this for now. So now this has been taken. A close above this would be ideal in this 15-minute time frame. So the fact that we ran up into it, into this fair value gap here, That's telling, and I don't think we're going to close above it, so we may create a fair value gap here. That's if the next 15-minute candle can close above. Um, and if we do, 10 o'clock news driver will come back down into this inefficiency and maybe come for these highs up here. This is a previous week high. So here we are. So let's look at the lower time frame. So this is the 5 minute. Let's see if this fair value gap can remain open. If it does, then we're gonna continue up higher uh, on this 15. Here's weekly cosmic encroachment is a higher time frame target. Um, we could do some projections like on this hourly. This is for standard deviation. That's way up here. Still, we have some time left on this 13 minutes to see what we do here. I'll just wait for the close. And that's another thing is waiting for closes above this range here. So price is roaring up higher. Not entirely sure where we could take this to. ES is nearing its weekly open. ES is that's good. Maybe come off of these sides up here on ES. Relative highs on ES. All that there's good information. So this is a 1 minute time frame. Smaller inefficiency. Bullish order block here. If we inverse this bullish order block, this would be nice. Real nice play. All right, so looks like this 5 minutes gonna remain open. And let's see what we got going on over here. We have we can take this off. Put them down here. Coming into Q3. Quarterly shift. Supposed to support right here. Bullish order block, fair value gap. Here we can play around with this. Just getting the practice of buying in. Um, so that we bought here and this is fair value gap, bullish order block. At a quarterly shift. Currently we are within this 5 minute fair value gap here. Stop loss will be below this low here. Uh, and then we could target for these highs up here. It's a smart, small, little short, little play. Although this weekly constant encroachment would be ideal. That's if we can get there, right? And we're buying, yes, in a premium, way high up in a premium, 12 minutes before the open. But again, the premise of this was to practice buying at a bullish order block fair value gap at a quarterly shift, right, on the 1 minute. This is demo account, it's not a real account. We do have this huge inefficiency here on the 15. So we may run into it, come back down. Yep, ran into it here. These next 10 minutes will be telling. Of course, we want to see a close above this candle here, which will give us more confidence that we will inverse this fair value gap on the 15, possibly come for these swing highs up here, and more inefficiencies up here. We'll see. And we do have some previous daily ranges up here. New York lunch, midnight open. We do have a nice low inefficiency up here on the 15th. So there we go. And stop loss is going to get hit. Boom, gone. So this fair value gap did not hold. Again, we're coming out of a higher time frame P array. So this looks like it's going to be inverse. Accumulation, manipulation, inverse fair value gap here on the 15. Run up, bears in control. Come down, bulls are in control. And this is a premium coming out of a 4-hour fair value gap. So the fact that bears are in control here, it's cool. Setting price down into discount. Would you go to optical trade entry? Of course. And then this becomes a bull short of black and be displaced above it pretty nicely. So that gave me confidence that we'll go up higher. And here we are in this inefficiency here. And how low can we go? Can't say. I think we're just going to consolidate at this point up here, the premium. I'm not doing that anymore. We have a swing low here, fair value gap, small inefficiency right in here. We can inverse this. Then I'm sure that will give us enough oomph to continue moving up higher. But we'll see. I'm just chilling right now. I'll come back in 8 minutes to take a look at what's going on after the news driver. So I'll just put an alert here. And add that alert. Turn that off. But right here, here, look, I'll do this. I'll go short here. Although I don't think I think we're still bullish. Stop loss will be here. Take profit. You know, this could very well be a whatchamacallit, a fair value gap that we enter into the new 4-hour, new 15-minute, new hourly, come down into, boom. So we hit this inefficiency twice, once, twice, consolidate, 6 minutes, then we come down, boom, into this inefficiency here and move up. I mean, we can move this down here and go from there because this is the swing low. I do we could cover for these swing lows. So that's what I believe could happen. And I'm gonna do something else right now as that transpires. All right, alarm just went off. What do we have here? 10 o'clock. New driver just came out. Notice how we tapped into that 15-minute fair value gap. And I do believe we have a 4 hour. Seen that globally. I thought we get for 10 o'clock. Oh, wow. All right, so I'm back. Run up, boom, stage one, kinda. We didn't get a microstructure shift, although you can consider this a microstructure shift. Run up, boom. This is stage two, Q4. Bullish for the black on the one. Bullish for the black on the one, Q4. Did tap into this fair value gap down here. We are approaching the last 5 minutes and still moving up. So we'll see what we get with this. Fair value gap on the hourly. Still got 51 minutes left for that to be what we think it is. Fair value gap here on the four. Still got some time for that to be what we think it is for at least to form. Uh, Dixie is consolidating as well. So this here was this bullshit black right here. Run up 1.5, retrace, run back up. So it's kind of over. So see this bullshit black on the one can hold. Ooh. Oh, I should have kept that short position on. It's all good though. This is demo trade, reading price action. Had the idea that Q4 is meant for reversals, by the way, or expansion. So we'll see. If we can come down here, then interested. All right, so my take profit would have been hit had I stayed in. So whatever. I guess that's why you don't move your stop loss. Technically, I moved my stop loss. Technically, this could be accumulation, manipulation. Kansas fair value gap right here. So going by that, stop loss will be low here. Take profit will be up here. Although this take profit is kind of a bit too low. Try to go for like 10 points, which would be right here. That's yeah, it'll be right there. But it's probably gonna get hit. If this probably run up in here, if we don't inverse this, then it's gonna be hit. So you have a breakaway fair value gap right here. So yeah, we're gonna get hit. Do a fair value gap here on the five. So this would be ideal. Maybe we could dip into this 4 hour bull short block, 5 minute fair value gap here. And I'll be a discount of this 15. Just right here. So that's been hit. So this is the optical trade entry. It's kind of this low, this fair value gap on the one. I have to hide the fair value gap on the five. And once again, tight stop loss, stuff like this happens. But still on the right side. Price action, reading it correctly. So good, good, good. This is nice to see this little small little fair value gap here can hold. But accumulation, what manipulation, distribution, accumulation, manipulation. And again, it's like with higher time frame, Peter Ray, we coming off of. This might just be a slow move all the way down into this 4 hour bull short block. Um, so I don't know. I like to take positions off a higher time frame PD arrays. The nearest one we're at is like this 4 hour right here, which we're like 30 points away from. So we can just wait on that. And then we just took out this internal range liquidity, so it makes sense to go down to internal range liquidity, which we just 4 hour bull short block. Can't really consider this as a bull short block. It'll be this one right here. Um, we go to 2.5 retracement or reversal at Q4. So we'll just keep this up here. Won't even pay attention to the five and the one. Um, so yeah. little further. I got that's holding, and then could we take these out here? Come back to this bullshit block here. Continue moving up. We'll see. I'll just keep that open so you all can observe. All right, so we're approaching a new quarter, Q4. What time is this right now? It's 10:30. Bulls are back on the five. Change the state of delivery. Fair value gap here. Inverse. Let's see if we can break through this 15 minute. We may run up back into it and then come back down in the next 5 minute. Boom, and continue up higher. Look for an entry position into this inefficiency right here. So I'll just place the order right there. Stop loss will be here. Although we could go a little bit deeper, but I do want to see this as a breakaway gap so we don't return back into it. What you target? What you target? Here. Yeah, we practice on that house at one tomorrow. Might get in get food. I'll get more details on the menu tomorrow. But it's basically bring your own food. So if you want something different, you can check that up. Or I might just make a smoothie and basically. But if you want some Indian food, let me know. Actually, I'll send you a menu. So yeah. Yep, new five. Could be a breakaway gap. Unless I like the way this is looking. Let's see, we have 5 minutes left in this. Here's the thing, if it continues to move up, what does that mean? Do we run after it? No, we'd have to look for an entry, preferably on like a lower time frame. Um, we should be on the one. So I don't see any like solid bullish order blocks we can take an entry on. So that's why we had to wait another 5 minutes to determine if this is going to be a fair value gap, or we could very well come down, reject this 15-minute inefficiency, come down to this bullshit block down here, and continue moving up higher. So I'm gonna set a alert here, and then inside of here we have some, fair value gaps, swing lows, see what comes of it. So honestly, if we don't come down below here, which yeah, we're at what, 20 points away, 10 points. Yeah, I want to see we go up to like right here. If I get an alert there, then I'll look into it. Other than that, 3 minutes left in this, and just have to wait. This could be a fair value gap, cool. Then we can come back down in here, run up, continue for these sides up here. We do have an inefficiency up here on the 15, and another one up here on the 15. But we just might just consolidate. I don't know. Shit's boring. I give myself, what time is it? It's 11:37 Eastern. Shit, no, it's 10:37 Eastern. I don't know. I'll probably cut out at the next 23 minutes. We got our little money for the day. Well, we could get a little bit more. There's really no need to rush this whatsoever. So, mm, maybe come back in the afternoon, find something. I'm gonna take a nap after this, and I got some other works to do. 24 seconds left. Oh wow, what we got going on here? All right, so we're gonna do five. 3 minutes left on this 15, and we just came down here. I think we can go up higher. So let's run this up and load this fair value gap here. That should be good enough. Fair value gap here on the five. Yeah, it's not a high probability setup, but we have 3 minutes left on this 15, so I'll come back to see what comes out this 15. But as we can see, this let's see if this fair value gap can like remain open. And then we have this 5 minute fair value gap that we can very well run into. And this is why we don't rely on the 1 minute for like entries, because here we are coming to this inefficiency 5 minute change state delivery. Um, so we have 2.5 minutes left. So we'll see. I still haven't taken any trades in my prop firm accounts or my app account. So why do you take that trade? Just to satisfy my urges to trade. So it's something I'm working on, and it's best to do that in a safe environment. And what do you know? You want to get in this? I mean, this might just be all we get for the AM session. There's really no solid setups for the higher time frame that we can enter in on. So ideas to come back later so we get something. Uh, yeah, let this go off. Uh, Here we are in this 5 minute. Let's see what we can get with this. Make it like a entry position. we were to get in here, we could come down here. This is 10 points, and I don't want to risk that much. Price can come down here definitely, but this 15-minute inefficiency, man. Wow. Boss Hog Outlaw. We'll see. May have to wait till like 11:15, but I'll be gone by then. Oh, we can't just bull short black on 15, but not really. We didn't close above it, so I don't know. Boom. One. See if we get a breakaway gap with this. Again, this is just tragic. Absolutely tragic. Notice how we just closed in premium, open up into a new 1 minute, then we reverse. So it's like, where do we close in respects to premium discount? This is just murder. 2 minutes left. Again, this is where I want to look for an entry in this discount. And then we have another inefficiency down here. So if we look for optical trade entry, which is, a solid strategy of mine that I like to rely on. I don't know, I'll go back. It's down here. So we'll see. Boom. And I guarantee as soon as we get up and move, price will just take off without me. That's called FOMO, and that's why we get into trades we're not supposed to be in, stuff like that. So, look, boom, right where we wanted it. How many points is this? Just 30 points. Not bad. All right, I'm done. There really isn't much of anything that interests me right now. I do believe we will continue to go up to move higher, but this price action here is just not ideal. Other than this 5 minute change to delivery, I'm cool. Right. So up 45 on the 150K account, up 1,000 on the 250K accounts, and haven't traded in the amp account. Have not traded in the 100K accounts. I'll probably wait till next week for the 100K accounts. But yeah, anyways, thanks. Peace.